Okay, so hashtag Drive Safely Georgia just got very real and very authentic for me, attorney Brian Poe. I'm on the connector northbound. Thought I was headed to dinner, and look what I ran into. And look at those cars ahead that are stuck in what was a serious flood. It has dissipated a little bit now, but we're all stuck here. This is just a reminder. Definitely don't try to drive through flood waters until authorities show up and clear the area. But also, you just never know when you hop in your car what's going on out there. So be very careful, drive cautiously, and remember, drive safely, Georgia.